Welcome to chapter 12. In the previous chapter, we learned about loops, and now we will see how the loops or statements can be packed into a single entity to work called functions. Let's start. In previous chapters, we have seen multiple functions that are built-in or default functions available in Python, such as print to print strings or variables, type to check the type, and length function to see the length or size of a list or string. In addition, Python also provides us the functionality to define our own functions to carry out tasks and processes we want to design. We call these functions as user-defined functions. A function is a block of code F as shown in this figure. You can pass data or variables known as parameters and known as input X into a function, and a function can return data as a result as an output fx. Thus, in Python, a function is defined using the def keyword as shown in the syntax, followed by the function name funcname with parentheses and terminated with a colon. After the colon and default indentation, the statements or the body of the function is defined. For instance, in cell 3 of the example of figure 24, we have used the keyword def to define a function named myFunction, and then a colon is used to start the indentation from the next line, that is, the body of the function consisting of statements that will be executed when it will be called. In cell 4, we have called the function using the function name like this, myFunction. Upon calling it, the print statement has displayed the text written to it, hey, this is a function. Information, variables, or values can be passed into functions as arguments. Arguments are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. You can add as many arguments as you want, just separate them with a comma. In the example of figure 24, there were no arguments. That is why there is no value inside the parentheses. That is my function. The following example has a function with one argument fname. When the function is called, we pass along a first name which is used inside the function to print the full name, as shown in figure 25. In cell 8, we call the function with the function name myFunction and also by passing the string value as arguments inside the parentheses. We call this function 3 times. Each time a different name is passed as an argument. That is why you see a different first name each time a function is called. This is all from the functions, and it is the end of this Python 101 course. Congratulations! Those who are interested in getting the verifiable certificate of this Python 101 course, please submit a single Jupyter notebook that contains all the examples you learned during this course, and your certificate will be emailed to you. Thank you and best of luck.